All right, we've got our grow kit. I'm going to show you how to open it. This is the easiest way to grow food at home. Slice it open. Okay. Now inside, you're going to have some instructions. It's very important to read the instructions all the way through first and follow these instructions. Right now I'm standing in the kitchen. You want to find a good spot to grow your mushrooms. Kitchens are great. They need a little bit of ambient light. You're often in the kitchen, so you're going to remember to spray it. Things like this. The next step after you found a good spot, open the box. You're going to make an X from corner to corner, about a ½ inch into the block. Corner to corner, ½ inch into the block. Now this is going to expose the mushrooms to nice fresh air and humidity from your spray bottle. I'm going to give it a quick start, and that's all you need to do. The mushrooms are going to know exactly where to go and how to come out of this block in their own time. This is going to create a little nice microclimate of humidity, and the mushrooms like that, and they're going to search for the fresh air, and that's going to drive them towards that opening, and they're just going to pop right out. Now you want to spray, I would say 2 to 4 times per day. Conditions vary widely here in Texas and all over the country, so just kind of pay attention. If it's raining outside and it's humid, maybe spray twice a day. If it's super dry like it has been recently in Texas, I'm going to spray it 4 times per day, leaving about 2 to 3 hours between sprays. So this is ready to go. Be patient, and you're going to see tiny little, what we call pins, which are baby mushrooms, form under the plastic, and they are gonna find their way and open the plastic for you, and then you're gonna have a nice large cluster of mushrooms at the top of this box.